Dearly beloved, I'm excited to invite you to the Craft Compelling Case Studies workshop that I'm teaching on January 22nd from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., where I'm going to teach you the most powerful marketing tool that if you are selling high-end programs, you run regular trainings, you work with clients, you sell your services. This is for you. We all know that testimonials are powerful, but case studies take it to a whole other level. They tell not just the outcome of what you did in the person's perspective, that is a part of the case study, but they also tell the whole story of what that person was struggling with, the journey you went on together. It shows people that are interested to work with you what it would be like to work with you. And I'll give you some examples here because case studies are quite a lot different than, say, a testimonial. On our partnership page, when people are interested in partnering with Magic Media, I can guarantee they always read our case studies first. Every single partnership we've ever done will come and they'll read our case studies because these are the stories of these particular projects. So people can click this button and then they can see who the client was, what their challenges or objectives were, what Magic Media did as our role, how the whole partnership or the outcome went, and then their testimonial. And then I always post some reflections on how the project went at the end of it. So then there's a call to action of if you want this, come work with us. And we'll usually do if the company has a trailer on their landing page, then we'll post that trailer right here
Green
so
are
people can see
control-oriented map.
more of the creative assets about who this company is. And so as you can see, anytime somebody wants to work with us, they'll come and they'll read all the different case studies to see what it's like to actually work with Magic Media and what roles we play in specific projects to create specific outcomes. It's so much more powerful than just a testimonial on a website. These case studies really show people what it's going to be like if they invest their money in working with you. And they do include a testimonial. And you can put those testimonials all over your website, like this one with Dr. Deidre. They can go there, but you also want to tell the project story. So, if you've never done case studies, this workshop is going to guide you through the exact template that I use every time I do case studies. You're going to map out several case studies in the live session, and then you're actually going to start to put the creative assets together. And by the end of it, you should have a rough draft case study. And then you could just keep duplicating that process, and these case studies become templates. And every time you finish a big project or you finish working with a client, you get to tell that story and share that story with your audience so they can decide if they want to work with you too to get those same types of results. So, join the workshop. If you can't make it live, you will get the recording, you will get the templates, and there is a private community space for anybody that signs up. And if you're inside of the Magic Mind already, it's already included in your membership. So just make sure you RSVP inside the community for the event, and I will see you there. This is the first workshop of the year. We're going to be doing monthly workshops on skill building, things just like this that are going to help you take your life's work to the next level. So I hope to see you there. Thanks so much for watching this far and for checking out the page, and share this with anybody that you think it would resonate with. Stay awesome.